Imagine waking up, opening your email, and getting paid just for clicking a few messages. No selling, no video making, no voiceover work. Just reading promotional emails, and boom, money in your account. I know what you're thinking. This has to be a scam. But I promise you, it's not. In today's video, I'll show you the exact websites that pay people $25, $50, or even $100 a week, just for reading or clicking on emails. This works worldwide, requires zero experience, and you can do it right now from your phone. Stay till the end because I'll also reveal a bonus hack that will help you scale this into a passive income stream using AI, without even checking your inbox manually. Let's get into it. Why companies pay you to read emails. So, let's break this down. Why would anyone pay you to read emails? It's simple. Email engagement is a valuable marketing metric. Big brands want to know if people are opening, clicking, and engaging with their emails. Instead of relying on bots or guessing, they pay real users like you to interact with real messages. This boosts their ad scores, click-through rates, and sales, and you earn a small reward in return. Think of it like being a paid tester for your attention. This creates a win-win situation. Companies get data. You get paid for doing basically nothing. So how do you start? Let me show you. Best websites that pay you. Here are the top 5 trusted websites that actually pay you just for reading emails. 1. Inbox Dollars, US, Canada, UK. One of the most popular platforms. Pays for reading emails, taking surveys, and watching ads. Each email pays around 2 cents to 10 cents. $5 sign-up bonus instantly. Minimum payout. $15 via PayPal, gift card, or check. 2. Inbox Pays, US only. Similar to Inbox Dollars, but email-focused. 25 cents to $1 per email clicked. Some offers require you to click links inside emails. Minimum payout, $25. Tip. Combine it with surveys for faster payouts. 3. Paid to read email, worldwide. One of the few platforms that's global. Pays up to 10 cents per email. Daily offers plus referral system. Earn 15% of what your friend makes. Minimum payout, $15. 4. Why Sense, global. Primarily a survey site, but email offers are frequent. Great for extra tasks like surveys, micro-jobs, and app downloads. Payment via Payoneer, PayPal, or Skrill. 5. Swagbucks, global with limited email rewards. Mostly surveys and video watching. Occasionally includes paid email tasks through live offers. $5 sign-up bonus. Great for combining tasks in one place. Bonus. If you're in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, or the Philippines, use Inbox Dollar alternatives like Zoombucks, Timebucks, Rewarding Ways. They all offer email click rewards and support global users. Real earning examples. Let's talk about real numbers. What do users actually earn with this? John from Texas earned $187 in 6 days using Inbox Pays and Inbox Dollars. Sarah from the UK made $74 over a weekend just reading and clicking offers. Ahmed from Karachi earns around $90 per month with paid to read email and Y Sense combined. And me? I tried this for a week and made $57, spending no more than 10 minutes a day. It's not a full-time income, but it's free money for doing almost nothing. And over time, it adds up. Smart tips to earn more. Want to earn faster and more efficiently? Follow these simple tricks. Use a separate email just for these platforms. Check your inbox at a fixed time each day. Don't skip emails. Even low-paying ones contribute to your trust level. Refer friends. Some platforms pay 15% to 30% of what they earn. Bonus. Use koala.sh or ChatGPT to auto-respond or organize tasks in batches. How to turn email reading into passive income. Here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you're making $2 to $5 a day reading emails. Use that small income to start a micro-digital business. Here's one strategy. Use the earnings to subscribe to koala.sh Premium. Use Koala to write blog articles or YouTube scripts. Sell those on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own blog. Now, your $5 a day becomes $30 to $50 a day within weeks. Even better, create faceless YouTube videos using that content and monetize with AdSense, affiliate links, or digital products. This is how smart creators start small and scale up big. You just learned one of the simplest ways to start earning online, just by opening and clicking emails. It won't replace your full-time job, but it's an easy first step toward building real digital income. But before you scroll away, hear me out. The difference between people making money online and those still stuck watching videos, it's not luck, it's not talent, it's action. You already know the method. You've seen the proof. You know it works. Now it's your move. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Sign up on just one of the platforms I mentioned. Click a few emails. Test it for yourself. Once you get that first payout, no matter how small, everything changes. You realize you can make money online. And that confidence? It's priceless. This could be your spark. Your small start. Your first win in a brand new online income journey. Don't overthink it. Just start. Open an account. Click a few emails. Collect your first $15. Then reinvest and grow from there. A single step can turn your future. So don't forget to drop a comment saying, "I'm starting today," and I'll reply with extra bonus tips. Like this video, subscribe for weekly faceless earning guides, and check the pinned comment for sign-up links and a free starter checklist PDF. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.